Hey, this is John Young here with the Weekend Handyman. I want to show you the new mower that we just got in here. This is the Toro TimeMaster. This is the 30-inch unit here with the new personal pace system. This is the new 2018 model that we're looking at right here. It's got a few features that I wanted to cover. We're going to do a variety of different videos on this, but it is a 3-in-1 machine where it will mulch, it will do a blowback, which you can see I've got the chute on there, and it has the bagging capability in the back. Cool thing with this is it comes with the oil, comes with everything. Basically, what I needed to do when I started with this is it came in a big box, the big cardboard box. You unload that, you cut an end off, and then you can roll it off out of the box. Then you need to take and basically lift this little lever right here and adjust the handle. The handle's laying across it. You basically stand the handle up, and then you can put it into place. The next thing you need to do is come over here, and there's our oil, and we're going to be putting in somewhere between around 15 ounces of oil. So it comes with 18 ounces of oil, so you're going to put most all of the oil into the machine. Careful not to overflow it. You fill the oil, you let it sit for about 5 minutes, check the oil, add a little more if you need to, but that's going to give you kind of a general ballpark of what you need to do. After that, this one is the electric start version, so we have our little key. Literally added some gas, turned it click to the on, and then turned it to start. It fired up within about a half a second. It was incredibly quick. It actually fired up so quickly, I was surprised. There was no cranking. It just, boom, started right up. A really neat little mower here from Toro. There's some things I really like about it. There's a couple of things that I don't care for about this. This is very close to being a perfect machine for a homeowner, but you're going to, in some other videos, when we do an actual demonstration with it, you're going to be, we'll cover more of the what I didn't like about it. But it's, so far, what I recommended is something that definitely could work for some homeowners. I'm not going to say every homeowner, but for some, it's going to be a good option. We'll put links in the description below so you can check this out. But again, this is the Toro. This is the 30-inch mower, the TimeMaster, with the dual blade cutting system here from, of course, the Toro Corporation. This is John Young with the Weekend Handyman.